Namaste. I, Chetna, the literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 25th February 2022. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज फाल्गुन माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की नवमी तिथि है, जो कि दोपहर 12 बजे तक रहेगी। अर्थात एकादशी का व्रत स्मार्त अर्थात गृहस्थों के लिए कल है। आज का नक्षत्र ज्येष्ठा, आज का योग वज्र है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज फाल्गुन माह के 13 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 24 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। तमनाशक जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशक जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय। मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव। तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च। मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम्। मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्। हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते। महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा। मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धय ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रता.
Now I would like to invite Anmol Tandon of class 10th A to share a motivational story with us. Namaste Anmol.
Namaste. My name is Anmol Tandon and I am student of class 10th A of St. Vivekanand Millennium School. The story for the motivational episode I am going to present in front of you is the goat and the wolf. Once a shepherd left his goat to roam free in his house and went away. The goat loved the freedom. He explored the whole house. He went into the kitchen and ate some bread and curd kept there. Then he went into the cool and shady backyard and sat on the swing that was hung there. He went into the bedroom and relaxed on the soft bed. Then the goat ran up the stairs to the roof of the house. He liked the soft breeze blowing and the view from the top of the house, which was beautiful. Suddenly, the goat started shaking with fear. His teeth chattered. Actually, he had seen a wolf standing near the gate. He could not enter the house because the shepherd had kept the gate locked. When the goat realized that, he laughed at the wolf and forgot all fears. The wolf said loudly, "Dear goat, you are laughing because you are at a higher position than I. I cannot come up to eat you. It is the value of the position you are in and not your courage that is making you fearless." And then the wolf went away. Moral of the story is sometimes our status and not courage makes us fearless. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Anmol. Now I would like to invite Divyansh of class 9 to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste Divyansh.
Namaste, I am Divyansh, student of class 9A of St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I am going to share the thought of Swami Vivekanand with you. Hope you will definitely think about this. The thought is as follows. Youth is someone who has power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dreams in their eyes. I repeat the thought. Youth is someone who has power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dreams in their eyes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you Divyansh. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Harshit of 10th B, Ayush Yadav of 8th A, Ritika of 9th A, Khushi of 6th B, and Naman of 5th A. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की, सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की। तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.